Alright, y'all, I'm super excited to teach you this one because it's one of my new favorite cocktails to make and drink. It's called a Bramble and it's gin based and very refreshing. You first start off by grabbing your mixing cup, mixing glass, put 4 to 5 blackberries in there. Next, you grab a simple syrup, put a half an ounce of that in there. You squeeze juice of a half lemon into your cup as well. Grab your muddler and muddle the ingredients together. Make sure all the juices are mixed in. Next, you grab some gin and you put 2 ounces of gin in there. Cover your mixing cup, shaker tin, shaker glass, whatever. Shake it about 15 to 20 seconds as always. And then you grab a lowball glass, fill it up with ice, and you want to strain out the sugar contents into that glass. And then finally you add a half ounce of some Crème de Mûre, which is blackberry liqueur. Add that to the top of your mixture. For my garnish, I'm using a half lemon wheel and 2 fresh blackberries. Cheers, and I hope you guys enjoy this. It's really tasty. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, please.